Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to use trading.com for binary options. So let me just teach you guys. So firstly, just go to your investigating.com app or the website and just log in with your account. Now just go to the chart, or let's say the stocks that you want to use binary option for. So let me just go with this one. Now over here down you will be having the option which says technical, and just go over there and choose technical analysis. And now just scroll down and now you will see over here. So binary option means that you will be seeing at the stocks or chart and every minute or every 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or hourly, or even more. So now let me teach you guys. So if you just go to 5 minutes, it says strong buy. So this is the time you can trade. Over here you will see that RSI, it says buy. So if this is the case, you can trade, guys. This is the best option or best chance to trade. Or let's say if this say the sell, then this is the best time to sell. So now just go to hourly and check. So over here it says neutral, so this might not be the best time for you to sell or trade, guys. So that's how you do binary option. You use binary option in investigating.com for trading. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.